Hi there, I'm Jay from CISPR, and in the next 19 seconds I'm going to unbox the Impinj Speedway R420 reader and tell you all about it. The Impinj Speedway R420 reader is a high-performance fixed RAIN RFID reader. The reader is ideal for shipment verification, asset tracking applications and inventory management. Well, let's see what's in the box. If you order the Impinj Speedway R420 reader, you'll receive this box with the R420 reader in it and the quick start guide. If you use power over Ethernet, you can start using it, and an Impinj power supply and power cord are available separately. The Impinj Speedway R420 reader has 4 antenna ports and is extendable to 32 antennas with the Impinj antenna hub. It can be powered by power over Ethernet or a regular AC power. You can also connect a GPIO adapter, and it has one USB device and one host USB. The R420 has an IP rating of IP52 and it weighs 700 grams. The Impinj Autopilot technology automatically optimizes its reader's operation for its environment. The reader is optimized for 4 read zone use cases. It is extendable to 32 read zones with the Impinj antenna hubs. It can read up to 1100 tags per second. Firmware can be installed through its web interface, and the Speedway Connect is optional software which can be installed on the reader itself to make it work standalone. So, are you interested in the Impinj Speedway R420 reader and do you need more information about it? Please contact CISPR.